That was great. Thank you, Mike, for showing us the rundown of the AT150 from Atlas Trap. We're going to go over the operation and use of the Intellaclay wireless control system. If you purchased your system with the tablet kit, it comes with this nice case, and inside you'll find the tablet, the instruction manual, and a waterproof pouch. Every time you use the trap, I recommend that you disconnect it from power when you're transporting or otherwise around the trap loading it. When you're ready to use the trap, then I recommend you go ahead and connect the battery. So once you have power connected, you can operate the trap like Mike was showing you. But for the Intellaclay system, you need to have the power turned on and cock the machine. And what that does is it provides power to the wireless controller. Now when you're not using your machine, we recommend you turning this off in the decocked position, and that'll kill all the power to your wireless controller, and that'll help save your battery. We have these two connection ports. This is for the wireless controls for the base, and this is the wireless control port that operates the trap. And back over here we have the wireless unit that's mounted to the cart with the stand mount provided by Atlas. We're going to go over here and I'll show you how to connect the machine to the controller. So we have this tablet stand set up, so if you're shooting solo, it makes it real easy. Just go into the app, press the connect button, and find your Bluetooth receiver ID and click on it. When the connection is made, it'll show a fire trap button. After the fire trap button is turned on, you can go to targets remaining and pick how many targets you'd like to fire for this session. I'm going to pick 3 targets, and I also want to set a delay of 4 seconds. So now when I press this fire button, it's going to count down for 4 seconds, and then it'll fire 1 trap. So after the bird is thrown, it'll wait for your next firing command. If you're firing by yourself, there's also an auto mode feature. If you activate the auto mode feature, you will see. You will press this button and the light will turn green, and you press start and it'll continue the program until you're done with the targets. So now that those final 2 targets have thrown, it shows that there's no targets remaining, and if you try to continue, it'll give you a warning saying that there are no targets remaining. And this is a safety feature so that when you're done throwing targets, the machine will not fire accidentally via the remote control unless you manually go in and load more targets. If you do not like to use the auto mode, you can turn that off. You can also turn off the instant release delay, and then it fires every time you press the fire button. To operate the base control, you go to this button up here, and then the menu will change, and you will see these red icons. If you'd like to turn on the interrupt feature, you just turn the icons green, and then every time you press the fire button, the base will move to a random position if the toggle switches were down. So to operate the Intellaclay base, you need to put all these toggle switches down, which I should have done earlier. So let's try this again. Fire button, the icons are green. The base will move in a random position each time. Now if you would like to nudge each position independently, you have these other buttons on this side that says nudge, wobble, nudge, oscillate, nudge, tilt, and you can press and hold those down and move the base independently to get that angle that you're trying to get. If you don't want the auto base feature, then you need to turn the toggle switches all back to red, and then the trap will fire without the base movement. If you have any questions, please call Mike at Atlas Trap Company and we will get you hooked up.